Oh yeah, this is me doing the carpet in the Citroen Berlingo. I've put some pictures in the beginning of this video, I think, or the video before, showing what I've done with the carpet. But my husband's made this plinth, so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the plinth that we've made, or he's made. And I'm just about to stick some carpet down on it, but I'll show you it before I stick the carpet down. So this is the plinth that he's made. Show it underneath. I'll insert some pictures in the video before, I would have thought. So he's made these two things underneath, and a centre blocking right here, just holding it, supporting it. And that's going all the way along. So I'm just taking off this double-sided tape, which is like a carpet tape. It's so hot, so we'll just stick into it. Yeah, so that's as far as I've got, and then this will come over. I've done that with the edges, but I'm going to staple that underneath these bits of under this edging here, and I'll show you when I've done that.